Good morning, students. So today we are going to start exercise 14.5. So as you can see, the first question of exercise 14.5, draw AB of length 7.3 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. Now what is the meaning of this? Axis of symmetry is a line which divides a figure into two equal parts. Line of symmetry you have done in class 5. So same thing. First of all, here you have to draw a line of length 7.3 centimeter and you have to find its axis of symmetry. Now how to do? So first, with the help of scale, draw a line of 7.3 centimeter. Okay. So as you can see, 7.3 from here you can draw. So this is 7.3. Okay, this is AB. Now, how to draw the axis of symmetry? Now, what you have to do, with the help of this compass, you have to take more than half, like this way. This is more than half. You have to take the length more than half. Now you have to draw arcs like this. At the top side, at the bottom side. Now again you have to put your compass at point A. Another arc and another arc, this one. So these two arcs are intersecting at this point and here, and you join these 2 points with the help of scale. So suppose this is CD, okay, and suppose this is O. This point is O. So AB is of length 7.3 centimeter and CD is the axis of symmetry. So once again you go through the video. Just remember one thing, you have to take this length more than half. This is more than half I have taken and you have to draw these arcs. So this is the first question. Now the second one. Same thing. Draw a line segment of length 9.5 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. Same way as we have done in question number 1. Exactly same way. First you have to take a line segment of 9.5 centimeter. So first you draw a line segment of length 9.5. This is 9.5 as you can see, this line. So any name you can give AB. Now you have to draw a perpendicular bisector. So again what you have to do, again you have to take more than half. Suppose this is the point. Suppose I am taking this much. It's more than half. More than half you have to take. Now draw two arcs. Here one, here. Now put your compass at point B. This is one point and this is another one. Okay. So what I have done, again I am telling, first from point A, I have drawn one arc here. Okay. And at the bottom I have drawn another arc. Here also I have drawn another arc. Now similarly from point B, you have to draw here one arc. And similarly at the bottom here you have to draw another arc. Now these 2 points you join. This point and this point with the help of scale. And suppose this is C and suppose this is D and this is O. So CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So exactly the same procedure. Question number 2 and this question number 1. 1 and 2, they are the same procedure. Okay. Now let's move to question number 3. So first you have to read the question very carefully. So you read it. Draw the perpendicular bisector of xy whose length is 10.3. Now the length is 10.3 centimeter, and again you have to draw the perpendicular bisector, same method. Acha, first let's draw the perpendicular bisector, then we will go to A and B points. Okay. So first let's take a 10 point, the measure is 10.3. Okay. So this one is suppose 10 point. Here you can see I am taking 10.3, or here. So this is 10.3 and this is given x, y. Now you have to draw a perpendicular bisector. So how you will draw? So again you have to take more than half. So from this point, suppose this is, yes, this is more than half. This is more than half. So at the top, so here you will draw one arc. Okay. And at the bottom, here you will draw another arc. So similarly, you will put your compass at the point Y. And at the top, you will draw one arc. And similarly at the bottom, you will draw another arc. Now you have to join these 2 points. This point and this point, as you can see, you have to join it with the help of scale. So this is the perpendicular bisector. This is the perpendicular bisector of xy. Now let's come to the first point. There are 2 parts, A and B. Now what is the point? A, take any point P. Take any point P on the bisector. Examine whether Px equals to Py. Now you have to take any point P on the bisector drawn. Now, which is the bisector? This line is the bisector. Now on this line you have to take any point P. Suppose here I have taken one point P. This point. Now what you have to do? You have to join Px and Py. So join with the help of scale. So this one is Px. And this one is Py. And now measure with the help of scale whether they are equal or not. So if you measure, you will get Px equals to Py. This is question number A. Same measurement you will get. Okay, this is coming here 6.3 and here also it is coming 6.3. So same measurement it's coming. You can measure it. Okay. So this is the first part. Now what is the second part? If M is a point, if M is the midpoint of xy, what can you say about the lengths mx and my? Midpoint of xy. So as you can see, xy, this is the length. Now which is the midpoint? This is the midpoint, the perpendicular bisector. This is the midpoint M. Now what can you say about mx and my? Now since m is the midpoint of x and y, so both mx and my, they are same because m is the midpoint. So in question number B also, mx equals to my. Why? Again I am telling because AM is the midpoint of X and Y. Okay, so this is the third question. XY is the length 10.3 centimeter. This is the perpendicular bisector. We have taken a point P. We have joined PX, PY. Their measures are same. This is the midpoint. MX and MY, they are also same. Okay. Now question number 4. Okay. Now as you can see here, so today this is the last question. Draw a line segment of length 12.8 centimeter using compass. Divide it into 4 equal parts. Verify the actual measurement. Now, you have to divide into 4 equal parts. And you have to measure, verify with the help of scale that whether they are coming same or not. And the length is 12.8. So first what we'll do? First, you will draw 12.8 centimeter. Okay, so let's draw. So this is 12.8. Suppose this is AB. You have to divide this line into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Now what we'll do? First, the same procedure. First, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. You have to take more than half. Suppose this is more than half I have taken. So at the top, here you have to draw one arc. And below also, here you can see all of you. Here you have to draw another arc. Now with the point B also, same thing. You have to draw at the top one arc. And below also, you have to draw another arc. Now you have to join these 2 points with the help of scale. Okay, you have to join. Okay, you have to join with the help of scale. So you can join here. So this is the joining portion. You can see it's little bit lengthier. Okay, it's little bit lengthier. You can see it's starting from here and it's ending here. Now what you have to do? This we have divided into 2 equal parts. Now you have to divide into 4 equal parts. Now this portion, suppose this is O. And all of you know this O is the midpoint as we have done in the previous question. This point O is the midpoint. Now what you will do? This AO, okay, this AO, again you have to take more than half. Same procedure you have to follow. This is more than half. And again you have to draw this arc here at the top and here at the bottom, as you can see. And again from the point O, here one arc you have to draw. And here another arc you have to draw. And you have to join. Similarly, the same thing you have to do over here, OB. Again, you have to take more than half. This is more than half. Again, you draw at the top and at the bottom. Again, from the B point, you draw another arc at the top and here at the bottom. So again, you will join it. Now you can see, suppose I'm giving another name. Suppose here C and D. Now the entire line has been divided into 4 equal parts. AC, CO, OD and DB. So these are the 4 equal parts, and if you measure with the help of scale. Okay, so this is the overall diagram as you can see. This is the overall diagram. here also. So this is the overall diagram. Now what we'll write down? This AC, CO, OD, DB, they are same. So here you will write down AC equals to CO equals to OD equals to DB. And what will be their measure? Total length is 12.8 and we are dividing into 4 equal parts. So divided by 4. So how much it will come? 3.2 centimeter. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So if you measure with the scale, this AC, CO, OD, DB, all these 4 equal parts will come 3.2 centimeter. Okay, all will come 3.2 centimeter. So you can check by measuring with the help of your scale. So all of you go through this video once again, okay? And if there is any doubt, you can ask me in the live class. So the remaining questions I will do in the next class. Thank you.